I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to update your security settings on OKX, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your OKX account. Make sure you have your credentials handy. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the security tab in the menu. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication. In the security settings, find the option to enable two-factor authentication 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security. Step 4. Review withdrawal whitelists. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. A quick note, if you forget to add an address to the whitelist, you will be able to withdraw funds to that address. Step 5. Save changes. After making your adjustments, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button at the bottom of the page. By following these steps, you can easily enhance your security settings on OKX. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.